$2 per minute by working from home. Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about tools where you can earn up to $2 per minute just by doing data entry. The tool that I'm going to talk is Rev.com. So in Rev.com, you will find various tasks such as transcribing, data entry, and many other things where you can earn up to $2 per minute. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So in this channel, you will get content on passive income tips, digital marketing, programming, latest technology, personal finance and investments, and many more, which will be useful for you in your career. If you're someone who is aged between 20s and 30s, then ultimately this channel is something which creates a lot of value to you. So this is the website of Rev.com. So you can see, you will find many services such as transcription. So you can earn around $1.25 per minute, and English captioning. So if someone uploaded the video and they ask you to convert captions for that, you can also do that. So you learn around 1.25 per minute, and also foreign subtitles. If you know understanding US English or UK English, so if you're someone who can able to understand the audio clearly and you can able to convert that to subtitles, then ultimately you can also earn around 3 to 7 per minute. So on an average, you can earn around $2 per minute. So your time will be recorded here. So whatever you do, so and you will be paid according to the number of minutes that you work. It is very simple. So you can see there are various services. You can also still see the services that it provide: transcription, rough draft, English captions, foreign subtitles, live captions for Zoom. So if there is Zoom meeting which is happening, so if you can able to hear the audio and you can write them into text format, then ultimately you can also earn around $20 per host. So everything is simple. You don't need too much of skills. You just, if you can just understand the language that a person is talking, that's it, you can able to earn. So you can also join as a freelancer. So this is Rev.com. You can find the link in the description too. So just click become a freelancer, and you need to apply by filling your basic details. And you can see it's a flexible work schedule. So there is no specific time limit for that. You can do it in your free time. And also there will be hundreds of jobs, so you can choose whatever fits for you well. And also you will be paid weekly. So you just need to have a PayPal account. That's it. You will be paid weekly. So whatever the amount that you earn, you will be paid weekly. That is something which is great. So because you don't need to wait for a month to get your payment. And this is what Rev.com is all about. So you don't need so much of advanced skills for this. So it's a kind of genuine data entry jobs. So don't get lured by services with the name data entry in the internet. So if you want to earn passive income through data entry, then this is something which is very genuine. So, and it is something which I have tested too. So I'm not, I can say, uploading a video by picking a random website. So I tested this platform. It is genuine. So find the link of Rev.com in the description and you can start earning. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.